In this video, we'll show how you can use an AND or function as the logical test inside an if function. The table in this workbook shows clothing sales and inventory, and we need to determine, based on certain criteria, whether any items need to be reordered. In the AND function column, for the logical test to be true and result in reorder, then column H, months of sales and inventory, must be less than 2, and column E, quantity sold last month, must be greater than 200. If the logical test is false, then result will be don't order. In the OR function column, the formula is identical to the AND function, except by using the OR function, only one of the two criteria must be true for the result of the logical test to be true and for the result to be reorder. There are 3 instances where the results differ between using these different logical tests.